To perform the bird dog, place your hands and knees on the ground in line with each other. Then take a deep breath and raise one arm and the opposite leg. Stretch as far as you can against both opposing walls so you have good stability between your arm and your leg. Control your breath and hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Once you've mastered the stability of the bird dog, you can also crunch in and out, making it a more dynamic exercise for your abdominal muscles and your back. Keep moving with good form through all repetitions. This exercise is called the bird dog. The bird dog teaches our posterior chain how to work together well as a unit and creates more balance and stability in our core. It'll also teach us how to use our breathing muscles to get more breath in and more breath out. It's also a fantastic exercise to warm up for good back work or good leg work. Let's get into it.